In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do isolated chrome. In honor of St. Patrick's Day coming up this month, I'm going to do something green and gold like this one. So let's get started. Now that this is cured, I'm going to go in with a cleansing wipe and some cleanser, wipe off the tacky layer. Then on my buffer, you have a smooth side and a rough side. I'm going to use this smooth side and I'm going to rough up the whole entire surface of the nail, giving it a matte finish. I find doing this instead of using an actual matte top coat works better when I'm doing isolated chrome. Once you're done roughing up the surface, I'm going to go back in with a lint-free wipe, and this time I'm going to use acetone and just wipe everything down. The chrome I'm going to use, I got in a pack of 16 from Amazon, and I have it linked to my Amazon storefront. So we're going to do this one, and it is a gold, but it's not a really bright yellow based gold, so when it goes on, it'll look something like this. For the gel that we are using to do this isolated chrome from Ugly Duckling, we are going to use the Emboss gel, and this is HEMA free, and it's really nice and clear. And from Magic Gel, I'm going to use the Essential Detailer number 4. It's like this. So we're going to do a round circle just like this one over here. We're going to dip into the gel of your choice. Now, in my opinion, this doesn't have to be perfect. If you want this to be perfect and the line smooth, you can do that. I like keeping it a little bit unsmooth as to give it more of that abstract look to it. But whatever you or your client decide, that is what you want to do. Once you get this, however you want to get this, you're going to pop this in the lamp and give it a cure for 30 seconds. Once that cures, what you want to do is you're going to open your chrome, carefully don't spill it. You're going to need a cosmetic wedge and you're going to need an eyeshadow applicator. Now, a little bit of chrome goes a long way, and you don't need a lot when you're doing this. So you're going to lightly tap this in. You'll have something like this. And then you're going to just rub that chrome onto the gel that you just cured in the lamp. Now, once you rub that in enough, now you're going to go in with your cosmetic wedge, and you're just going to wipe the chrome off. If you need to go back on, go back on. We're just going to lightly take away all that excess chrome in the background. So something like this. Now from here, you can do one of two different things. You can do a full top coat like this, how I have here, or you can go in and you can just put the top coat over the chrome, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. You're going to take the top coat of your choice. You're going to put a little bit on your palette. The top coat I'm using is also from IKON.IQ. It's called Shine Like a Diamond. And I'm going to use the same brush that I did before. And I also have my little flash cure lamp with me, so that way if the gel starts moving, it'll stay in place. I'm going to dip my gel into the brush. So it'll be something like this. And then you're just going to slowly put the top coat onto here. And as I said, if you need to, grab your flash care lamp and just hold that in place for about like 2 or 3 seconds. Now remember, since you are only partially curing this with the flash cure lamp, when you are done doing this, then you have to put the nail or the tip back into the lamp for a full cure, and that's what we're going to do right now. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to do isolated chrome. If you enjoy videos like this, or you want to see any more, or have any ideas for video, let me know down in the comment section down below. And as usual, everything I use will always be listed in the description of this video, and I will talk to everyone soon. Bye!